So it's now all both open up. Ah, so beautiful, so yummy. Okay.
Good boy.
So I have here the crab. And so I have butter. Get butter. Black bean garlic sauce. Oyster sauce. Got black pepper, ground black pepper. Got a brown sugar. Got garlic, ginger, a red onion. Got mint, parsley, and spring onion. So got rice wine here too. So I heated the wok now. So first I'm going to put the butter. So make sure that the butter is melted. So make sure that the butter is melted already. And then I put in garlic. Brown the garlic a little bit. Oh, so smoky. So in goes the ginger. Then red onion. Such a good smell. Make sure that the aroma comes out from the onion, garlic, and the ginger. So in goes rosemary. So next is the black bean garlic sauce. Then oyster sauce. And in goes the brown black pepper and the sugar and a bit of salt. Then the rice wine. Wow, so good smell. So I'm going to put water, half cup of water, and let it simmer, let it boil. So kumulo na siya. So I'm going to put in the crab now. Stir it. Yum. So let it simmer for about 1 minute. Make sure that all the taste will get the sauce will get into the crab's meat. So I have to cover it for what? Okay. So after 1 minute, ano na siya? Na yung sauce niya nakaka-absorb na doon sa meat. So I have to put cornstarch. See, cornstarch, dissolved cornstarch, to keep the textures moist and yummy. So I add in a little bit to 1 teaspoon of chicken powder to make sure that this have enough taste. Now, so I have to put in, last one is the mint. To put mint, then parsley, then the spring onion. So now it's ready to serve, so I have to turn off the fire. So here's our spaniel crab, already cooked and so yummy. Oh, look at the color. Oh. Okay, let's dig in.